Unleash the power of artificial intelligence in your trading immediately after watching this video. We'll reveal hidden AI-based indicators on TradingView that can improve every aspect of your strategy, from entry to confirmation. All the indicators showed incredible performance in backtests and will be revealed step by step. I'm confident you'll be impressed by the features of the top indicator on our list. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, quantAlgo, which tells when to buy and when to sell, thus giving you an insane advantage over other traders. The fourth indicator adjusts to market volatility dynamically through machine learning techniques. It uses k-means clustering to categorize market volatility into high, medium, and low levels, enhancing the traditional supertrend strategy. So, how can we make use of this indicator? When the indicator displays a green label and a value of 3 appears beneath the signal candle, it signals an entry for a long trade in a bearish scenario. When the indicator shows a red label with a value of 3 above the signal candle, it provides a signal for entering a short trade. Wow! See how effectively the indicator captures market trends. Now, let's create a strategy script and evaluate its actual performance. Here it is. To access this script and all upcoming ones, feel free to join our Telegram group for further instructions. So here's Bitcoin, a 15-minute time frame. And just take a look at these amazing results. With a 58% win rate over 315 trades, we achieved a net profit of 379%. Also, we have a profit factor of 1.43 and a bit elevated max drawdown of 39%. However, these are the results from the super trend indicator alone, without using any additional confirmation. Any volume filter will reduce the maximum drawdown by at least 50%. To incorporate this amazing AI tool, open the indicator menu, search for machine learning super trend, and add it to your chart. Next, go to the settings and change the ATR length to 14. The third AI indicator utilizes advanced machine learning techniques to detect dynamic support and resistance levels, helping traders identify crucial price points where the market may reverse or pause, thereby refining your trading strategy with accurate data-driven insights. This indicator allows us to execute incredible reversal trades. In a bullish case, wait for the price to decline to the support level, indicated by the white line. Next, we need to see some consolidation at this level to confirm that the price is entering an accumulation phase. Finally, we need to observe a candle with a long wick that sweeps the lowest point of the consolidation range. Bingo! The price surged upwards significantly. Note that you can learn the exact steps for the entry process in our full video on this strategy, linked in the description. For a short reversal trade, wait for the price to reach the resistance level. Next, look for some consolidation at this level to confirm the price is entering a distribution phase. Finally, watch for a candle with a long wick that sweeps the highest point of the consolidation range. Voila! The price plummeted dramatically. To add this AI tool, open the Indicator tab, type Machine Learning Support, and click on the following one. Before we continue, we want to share with you our top private indicator, quantAlgo, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access quantAlgo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this, algo will put you at a disadvantage. Next, open the Settings menu and set the confirmation length at 60. The second AI indicator, built using advanced machine learning technology, is designed to transform your understanding of market dynamics. It applies k-means clustering to identify and adapt to market states, optimizing the indicator for current conditions. This is an incredibly effective confirmation indicator, designed to boost the win rate of any of your strategies. With that, to confirm a long entry, the indicator area should be green and positioned below the 100 threshold. This level signals overbought conditions, suggesting a high likelihood of a pullback. Alternatively, to confirm a sell signal, the indicator area should be red and positioned above the 0 level, ensuring the price isn't in oversold territory. Now, let's determine if this indicator is truly effective at filtering out false signals. For instance, here's the performance of the machine learning super trend indicator on Bitcoin, a 15-minute time frame. It's not bad, but there's an extended period of drawdown in this case. Now, let's apply the AI MFI filter and review the results. Boom! Our win rate instantly soared to an impressive 72.5%. Again, you can learn how to access this script on our free Telegram. So, to add this AI filter, go to the Indicators window, type AI Adaptive Index, and opt for this exact indicator. Then open the Inputs menu and change the MFI length to 10. The first indicator on our list is currently the most robust all-in-one trading tool on TradingView. providing a comprehensive set of features that surpasses any other available indicator. The highly accurate real-time buy and sell signals allow for flawless entries, while the price action-backed exceptions help avoid many quantitative pitfalls. Advanced strategies with a high win rate combine both indicators and price action, further elevating your overall trading experience. Additional features include premium discount bands, an advanced trend dashboard, extremum points, and the volatility line. Now, let's take a look at backtesting results. Here's gold, a 5-minute time frame, and check out this mind-blowing performance. QuantAlgo delivered an outstanding 70% win rate over 50 trades, resulting in a net profit of 367%. Also, we have a strong profit factor of 2.23 and a manageable max drawdown of 33%. Finally, the equity curve looks amazing. You can access the indicator through the link provided in the video description and the pinned comment. Discover more about QuantAlgo's features and access additional backtesting results in our detailed video review on the second channel.